Alright guys, I dug another one out of the mothballs. Okay, here's the WLTOYS Phantom XY, or as it's also known as the Dragonfly 3. It's a very nice bird. It's very well made, has a huge battery, and it's a 7.4 2600. Has all these options for cameras, has multiple camera options on it. I just didn't get the cameras with it. But there it is. It's a sweet looking thing. And to calibrate the gyro, you just go down and to the left, you see the lights flashing. And then that's about it. Piece of cake. There's the speed, take off, return to home, headless mode, and these three are camera buttons. And then there's the flip button right there. So it's a big quadcopter, and it's kind of heavy too. It's not like some little job. It only has 2 rates. There's some flips. I don't remember when I did my flight with this before if I actually killed the whole battery or not. I don't know. I don't remember if I went through the whole battery. So I don't remember what the flight time was. I might have. It's just been like a year since I did the video. So yeah, it flies good. Put it down on the slow rate and you'll see the difference in the pitch and stuff like that. See the orientation. On the orientation on this thing, it's real easy to see at night because it's got those big lights in there. Right there. The green ones are in the front and the red ones are in the back. Now the headless mode, we'll try it out, but it has that annoying beep, so I'm only going to show you for a minute. And the lights will flash. You see them there and you hear that? All that nonsense. There's a little bit of wind picking up, that's why it's dancing around. But you see it, the orientation is staying, you know, front back no matter which way I turn it. So I gotta turn that off. I just can't stand that. It just drives me crazy. Sorry guys, I can't do it. Yeah, it's a decent flyer. Not one of my favorites, believe me. It's okay. What I don't like about it, it jostles around a lot. You know, it doesn't sit still, you know. And if a big bird like this, you know, you want it to sit still because, you know, this is one of them ones that the battery will probably last a while, and then you put a camera on it. But when you're trying to roll with it and turn with it, it kind of, you know, wants to dance. It's not so bad in the low rate, but if you're in the high rate, it likes to dance around a lot. You know, I'm going to just go out here and let it sit still and not touch any of the control, and then you'll see how, if it's drifting at all. The wind is touch and go. It's coming and it's not. So you see it dance, not dancing, but it's just drifting around. It's not that bad though. And you could trim it out, but you know, like I always used to say before, it's hard to trim out wind, because you trim it and it's, oh good, then the wind changes direction. Okay, so then all that work you did trimming it out is all for naught. Now the wind is, there's absolutely nothing right now as far as wind. Absolutely, it's dead calm right now. So I'll try to trim that little bit out right there. Okay, so I pretty much got it as good as it's going to get. Now it's going to start drifting forward now. Okay, come back. Yeah, it's an okay quad. You know, there's better, there's worse, you know. Okay, the wind started kicking back up now. It's coming from back there, from behind me. See how much thrust it puts out. A lot of wind on that thing. Well, if you didn't want to fly it, you could use it for a fan in the house. You see those big lumbering flips. It has a little bit of telemetry on here from what I can remember. Yeah, it tells you your height. It's actually right now it's 3 meters up, I guess. Let me see if that's the height. Yeah, I think that's the height right there. The one on the right here, the one on the left. This is kind of a small little park here, so I actually just came over here to fly the Sky Viper, but I figured I'd dig this one out, give it another spin. It's okay. Not my favorite by a long shot, but it's alright. Does the job. You want to just come out and burn a battery, you can do that. Just to get some practice in. Well, the batteries must still have some juice in it because it's still doing the flips. I'll take it over here for a minute just to try the return to home out. It's kind of a small park to try the return to home in. Okay, well, I guess it was going that way, so I guess the ass end of the quad must have been turned that way a little bit. But it's pretty stable. You see it just drifting around a little bit. Alright, boys, I'm not going to spend my whole afternoon flying this thing, that's for sure. I just wanted to let you guys see it in case you'd never seen this thing. I know Heath has one. I know he likes it. It's okay. I mean, I like it. It's just not like my favorite thing in the world. But it's not bad. It lands nice. And you don't need a landing pad for this thing because it's, you know, it's got them big feet on it. So you can basically set this thing in anywhere, dirt or sand or whatever, you know. You're pretty covered with these big long legs on here. So. Now let me get out what I came here to fly, which was the Sky Viper. The motors aren't that warm at all. It's about 83 out here. It's pretty warm. The motors aren't warm at all. So, and it was doing all those flips and all that. Just a little bit of warmth on them. So yeah, it's an okay flyer. Like I said, not my favorite, but you know, it does the job. It's not terrible or anything like that. It's decent. All right, guys, have a nice day.